So we asked to add in standard form to evaluate the following, each of these, and leave our answers in standard form. All right, so look at this. Here you have 5.31 times 10 raised to the power minus 3, then plus 2.43 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now, before you can add this, you make sure that these and these are the same. All right, so once they are the same, then I can easily add this. So what I can write is 5.31, then plus I write 2.43. okay, then I have times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So I can easily add this. So adding that, I have 5.31, then plus 2.43. okay, when we add, you have 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 1 is 7, then plus 5 plus 2 is 7. So I have 7.74, then times 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is the solution to this, and it's already in standard form. All right, so let's try for this. Now watching, if you look at this, you see that this and this are not the same. This is power 6 and here is power 8. So you need to reduce or increase the other one to make sure that they are of the same power. So depending on the one you want to do. So suppose that we want to reduce this. If I want to reduce this to power 6, so what I just need to do is, if I subtract this power by 2 to get it to power 6, then this decimal point has to move 2 places. So if it moves just 1 place to this place, you have the decimal point to be here. Then if the decimal point move again the second place, it has to be here. Then you call here 0. So what do I have? I have 0.0571. Making this point to be visible, I just have to put 0 here, then times 10 raised to power, instead of 8, it becomes, because you have 8 minus 2 is what? 6. Then plus, I have 33.8, then times 10 raised to power 6. Now you see that they are having the same basis and power, the same basis and power together. Okay, then I can easily add. I can say 33.8, then plus 0.0571. I can add this, then multiply by what? 10 raised to power 6. So let's add this. You come over here, you write 33.8, then you write 0.0571. Let's add this. When you add, you bring down your 1, bring down 7, bring down 5, bring down 8, then points, bring down 3, bring down 3. So you have, this is equals to 33.8571. You have 8571, then times 10 raised to power 6. But writing this in standard form, you don't need to write it this way. So the decimal point needs to come to the front. I'm moving the decimal point here, moving it to the front. That means we need to subtract this by 1, right? To move it just 1 place. Okay, so here becomes 3.38571 times 10 raised to power 5. And this is your solution. If this is clear, try to evaluate this. Okay, make sure that the powers are of the same, they have the same power, and once you do that, you can add and then convert to standard form. All right, if this video is clear, do well to like, subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.